Problems will always seem bigger when you try and tackle them tired. So after hitting some bumps in the road, we chose to slow the adventure and live in the moment. This week, we share with you the true value of slow travel. Van life living isn't about ticking off destinations or non-stop adventure. Sometimes it's about standing still, letting the fog clear, and remembering that even with a dented van and scrambled logistics, you are still living the dream. I've only got one thing on my mind. Hello, welcome back. How are we all today? We are running away from our problems. When things go wrong, you know, make it tomorrow's problem. Old Gertie, she was kicking out a bit of black smoke, which I don't think's a major deal. It's something to do with the air and the fuel mixture, which would normally be a simple fix of turning a screw, but being the fact that this old girl is 36 years old, she's a little rusty. It's become sealed, which could mean a new carburettor. It could mean taking off the carburettor and cleaning it. You know, when some things are just so far out of your knowledge and your understanding that you kind of go into a mind meltdown. Then I reversed into a pole, didn't I? Took a bit of a chunk out of old Gertie's bottom that we decided that, do you know what? Problems will still be there tomorrow. We have adopted a bit of slow travel again, haven't we, babe? They lied when they said a rich life is created by money. We believe it's one built from all the moments you value the most. The next few days show why van life is so worth it, even when the pace changes. We're going to just basically share with you the next few days of what slow living, avoiding problems looks like. Frank, come here. Come and tell them. What did you just do? We had a lovely walk planned and we did the worst thing you should do with a dog. He refused to walk. So we let him lead the way and this is where he's brought us. Probably shouldn't give the dog that much jurisdiction over what you do, should you? We built a house. We didn't build it. I'm wearing shoes. That's a new thing, isn't it?
That is a new thing, yeah. A little bit.
Trist has a habit of doing this. I do something and he turns into the royal we, but he hasn't been walking barefoot. I've been earthing. If life leaps at you sometimes, get yourself into the woods. Trees are heaven. Haven, happy place.
Nature is the best medicine.
If you haven't subscribed, please do. Sharing the real reality, slow paced, a bit of campsite life. Yeah, I'm sure it does resonate with a lot of people. It's the end of the road, Jack.
Better turn round then.
Yep. Alright, Cantalino.
That's not bad.
I feel like they're foxgloves. That's what we should do. We should learn a bit more about nature, considering we're in it all the time.
Oh my God, look at these ants. Jesus.
Oh, crikey.
Does that pick up? Wow.
That's mental.
Gotta be careful, I'm not standing on any. Oh, Jesus, yeah, I am.
That is mental. They're everywhere.
Can we see it? Look at this. I don't know. Is that?
It's an ant nest, isn't it?
Yeah, is that an ant nest?
Yeah.
Can you see those moving? Let's go a bit closer. Yeah, they're not on me. Ugh. I am not a fan of. Don't mind insects. Don't mind things on a one-to-one basis. When there's lots of something, a bee, don't mind that. A swarm of bees, not a fan.
Yeah, I mean it's a bit different to a load of ants, though, mate. What you
Oh, get off me! Oh, they are massive as well. That's like the size of my.
Yeah, let's just get out of here. Come on.
See, now it's in my mind. I just had a leaf on me a second ago and I freaked out. Everywhere. This is mental.
I mean, they just live in the woods, don't they? They're busy doing their jobs.
Yeah, they're massive, mate. They're like that. Little garden ants. Oh.
Oh, get some legs in it.
He's freaking out. I shouldn't laugh, but it's bloody hilarious.
twist trivia time. This is the opening line, I think, or one of the very early lines in the film. So yeah, pop your answers below. But the line goes, let's get the buyers from the spies, the needy from the greedy, the ones who trust me from the ones who don't, because if you don't see a bargain up here today, you ain't up here shopping, you're up here shoplifting. Answers below. What are we cooking up tonight?
Sausages, Richmond's veggie ones, Yorkies and cauliflower cheese.
Oh, it's all on a barbecue.
This one, they died a death. Almost done.
Yeah, they look alright, don't they?
Hey man! There is nothing better than cooking your dinner, sat in the grass, in just the most simplistic way. I don't know, call me crazy. The strawberry full moon, and what is beautiful is as we were walking out, I mean we're literally in, well, I'm in pyjamas, bare feet, there was a whole, is it a school of deer? A herd of deer? Some deer just sort of darted across the path in front of the full moon.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just
walking towards the full moon.
We are. How beautiful, it's so peaceful. And also look at the sky over there. Look. 10.
Yeah, and I don't know, it's getting dark, but there's still a bit of daylight. How beautiful. What a lovely time of year this is.
What a time to be alive.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Best time of year, see? I've converted you.
He sucked me into that one. But that is the thing, isn't it? Sometimes when you run away from your problems, you find exactly what you were looking for. You know?
Hey?
Maybe not the best advice, but it works for us, doesn't it?
One of the problems with doing cauliflower cheese on the barbecue is you get this. And now I've got to scrape that all out. It started off pretty well, didn't it, darling?
It did.
It was quite bright. Saw there was a bit of rain going on today. It's lashing it down. It's flooding here. That's sort of semi-normal with where we are. So yeah, don't worry. Internet signal has died because of the rain, it would seem. It's a vlogging day and...
Can't really vlog me cleaning the toilet, can we?
Well, we're going to, aren't we?
Oh, well, I thought if
look, even the light's a bit low. Brilliant.
If there's no signal, then it's... We'll turn it into doing some cleaning. So
Yeah.
I've just pulled everything out.
Genuine side of van life. We need to go out later. I mean, I'll just show you. Doesn't really do it justice. It's hammering down. Water will be getting under the engine. So that'll be interesting.
We got really excited because I don't know if any of you guys have heard of Too Good To Go. We've got a bag for £3.50 to pick up from Costa at 4 o'clock today. That's what should be worth £11.
What I like the most is you're talking about food that we're going to purchase whilst cleaning a toilet.
I know. I've also cleaned the floor. You'd be amazed how like things can... Our toilet's not dirty, we're not dirty people, but you know, things just, yeah, I don't know. Housework still happens even when you live in a van, and don't shoot me for using wet wipes.
This is the sort of van life content I've been missing in my life. Sorry guys, I mean this just, look, I'm going to just show you quickly. This is mental, mate. Yeah. Keep cracking through the day and we'll pick you up in a bit. And just like that, the sun's come back out. Yes, yeah it is. Right, off to the shops to go and get our goodie bags. You're very excited about this, aren't you?
I am really excited. I get so excited about anything that might be a potential bargain. It's just, I don't know. I love it. And also, it's like, you don't know what you're going to get. So it's like a mega surprise, isn't it?
It is.
But yeah, The thing is, I'm going to want to have a look in the bag straight away, but I promise I won't.
That's not part of the game, is it?
Well, just so I can share it with you guys. Right, it's been raining today. We've had our covers on.
Yeah, a lot of rain, so
And we all know-
we go.
We all know that Gertie's not happy at the moment, so... Come on, girl. Okay, I see ya. Okay. There's my good girl. Good girl.
We'll let her warm up a little bit and then we're at the road. Hit the road, eh? What are you doing, Frank? You smelly little boy. Right, let's go. There we go. I've done well not to look inside the bag.
You have done really well. Is it bad that I kind of thought it'd be bigger? That sounds really bad, doesn't it?
I feel like you thought you were getting a mountain of food.
I mean, I don't know, but I just, I don't know. It's exciting though, isn't it? Who goes to Costa and comes out with 2 big bags for £3.50 each? Like, that's the cost of a meal deal.
Let's see what we've got. Let's head back to base camp and find out what Too Good To Go is. Too good to go. Hello. Too Good To Go. They get rid of the stuff they can't sell the next day.
Yes.
At a cheaper price.
Yeah, it's to reduce food wastage. And you actually, when you buy it, you actually get a little thank you to say, oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you for helping us not waste food, which, yeah, I think is pretty sweet.
He hasn't been walking barefoot.
Ah, yeah, all right. Yeah. I've got bare feet too. Yeah. There we go. So what, should we just do one item each? Should say they're £3.50 each, and it should be £11 worth of food. So for £7, we should have £22 worth of food here, guys.
First item, go on then. You go and I'll see what I've got.
A ham and cheese in a toasty.
Yeah. A mature cheddar and roasted tomato.
Swapsies.
You ready?
Yep. Ooh, a nacho chili cheese and chicken toasty.
Oh, that does sound quite
with
nice.
jalapenos. That sounds right
nice.
up your street.
I have a ham and cheese toasty. I think we see the theme here.
Yeah.
Right, last one. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think it's
that's
those toasties, isn't it? A Wiltshire ham and mature cheddar toasty.
And I think this one will be for you. A vegan ham, corn vegan ham and cheese.
That's sick, isn't it?
Sick.
Brilliant. There you go, guys.
Yeah.
6 toasties. How
So
cool.
that's worth £7.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
What do you think, a meal deal?
What's that? £1? £1
So
something?
£3.50 each for 3 sandwiches. I think that's
Yeah, it was
really
£7
good.
for 6
and
sandwiches.
they're not like that. Looks like a nice one, doesn't
Yeah.
it? And so does this one, mature cheddar. Yeah, I'm
Put these on the
buzzing.
barbecue.
Yeah, definitely. Put everything on the barbecue, mate. You know us.
I think 3 sandwiches might have been too many.
I think it might have been.
We did the whole lot.
My stomach feels like, yeah.
You've eaten half a loaf of bread.
But the problem was, that's the thing with Too Good To Go, is everything expires the same day. So you kind of have to, Frank, what are you doing? So you kind of have to eat everything the same day. Just one bag in future, but I wanted to see £3.50 is like the price of a meal deal. So I was like, oh, we'll have one each.
I think that's got to be one of my favourite things about being in the New Forest is the bird song.
They say life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. Living in a van or not, it's up to you to find the magic in every moment. Waking up at 4 AM to chase that vitamin D high felt like the perfect way to round off the week. With our gratitude growing for every opportunity we take, we can't wait to see where next week takes us. Who knows, we may even face tomorrow's problems. Join us next week at our new time of 4 p.m. on a Thursday, and don't forget to hit that little bell to receive a notification so you don't miss the episode. Happy van life adventuring, beautiful people.
Bye for now.